Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Yeah, I know I'm standing in the gun store. I just want to throw y'all a quick word out because I have not put up a good video in the past 2 weeks, and I want to apologize for that. I've just been way too busy over here at the gun store. With all this stuff going on, this, that, and the other thing, I have not had a chance to even get out in the shop and do nothing. And there hasn't been any business out there either because, well, a lot of people are staying at home, they're not working, so they don't have money to have me do cool stuff to their vehicles. But just as soon as I can catch a break, I'm going to get back out there. We still have the hood scoop to install on the convertible Mustang, the side scoops. I've got plenty to do. Got some upcoming projects that y'all will just totally flip over, and I'm really looking forward to. But until then, if y'all would just, stick with me, and I'll keep you updated on what's going on, and hopefully by next week I'll be able to get back to my normal weekly videos out there where we're actually accomplishing something. But until then, I hope that everyone's doing fine and having no problems, and all of this stuff going on hasn't greatly affected you in a negative way, and everybody's fine. Well, guys, thanks for listening up and sticking with us, and very soon I promise we'll get back on track with all of this and get some good videos up for the custom channel. Well, until then, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day. Thanks, y'all.